Two top fitness apps, Shred and Fitbod, battling it out. Which one really delivers? On the left, Shred. Fast, fun, and flashy workouts for every level. And on the right, Fitbod, your smart gym buddy for personalized gains. Let's skip the hype and get straight to what matters. We'll score each category, so at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. All right, here's the mind map for today. We're going to talk price, customization, workout variety, progress tracking, user experience, equipment flexibility, and somewhere along the way, maybe I'll throw in a weird fun fact you didn't know. Sound good? Cool. Let's get to it. So starting off with price. Shred's got this annual plan that saves you some cash if you commit. And honestly, the premium features are pretty stacked. But if you're just there for a month, it's honestly a bit pricier than some other apps. And the commitment isn't for everyone. Now, Fitbod, on the other hand, comes in clutch with affordable monthly and annual options. Plus, you actually get 3 free workouts just to test the waters before dropping your card details. But fair warning, there's no true unlimited free plan, so eventually you'll have to pay. If you're counting every penny right now, Fitbod definitely feels easier on your wallet. All right, on to customization. So Shred offers a wild variety of workouts, even uses AI to adapt to your feedback. Love that. But sometimes the app just throws so much at you that you're kind of lost, like, wait, am I working my biceps or trying to survive a ninja obstacle course? Also, there's not as much granular muscle tracking. Fitbod, though, listen, this dude is your personal trainer who never gets tired. It builds out highly personalized routines, adapts based on your progress and whatever equipment you have laying around, and gives you detailed insights on muscle recovery, which, I mean, if you're actually tracking that, props to you. Downside, their overall focus leans mostly towards strength, but if that's your jam, honestly, no complaints. Now let's talk workout variety. Okay, Shred is actually kind of bonkers. It's got HIIT, cardio, strength, athlete-led programs, bodyweight stuff. You pick. There are social features that kind of make you feel famous for sweating. Sometimes the programs feel more hypey than sciencey. But hey, if you want that push, it's there. Fitbod is less about showing off and more about getting strong. The routines are fresh and keep adapting, but the class types aren't as diverse. It's pretty much strength or more strength. So if you want lots of flavors, Shred takes the cake. If you just want the gains, Fitbod delivers. Oh, and here's something cool I found. Did you know Shred's Shred 7 program is just 7 minutes long? So if you're constantly scrolling through your phone instead of working out, this might actually trick you into exercising. Perfect for all us busy bees out there. Progress tracking time. Shred does cover your basics. You log stuff, AI throws advice at you, but you don't really get those deep dive recovery or muscle analytics. It's more like pat on the back, less like here's your muscle fiber report. Fitbod though? Okay, let's get nerdy. Advanced tracking all over. Muscle recovery analytics, detailed logs, stats. So if you want to see why you're sore or if skipping leg day actually shows up on the chart, Fitbod's got you. Only catch, it's not going to win any art contests for visuals. Data galore though. All right, moving into user experience. Shred is kind of like hopping into a fitness show. Super sleek, very visual, easy to set up, and the instructors are honestly pretty fun to follow. The downside? It throws a ton of workout options at you. And that can get overwhelming, like which button gets me abs again? Fitbod is the total opposite. It's clean, organized, data first, super friendly if you love analytics. But it's not flashy at all. More like your neighbor's reliable spreadsheet than a TikTok dance-off. For fun vibes, Shred's the one. For straightforward logging, Fitbod's solid. Last category, equipment flexibility. And honestly, this one's a tie. Both apps work with almost anything. Home stuff, gym hardware, straight-up bodyweight workouts. Shred adapts to whatever you have handy, even if it's just a yoga mat and a bad attitude. Fitbod also tailors everything to your gear, which makes it especially sweet for those at-home setups. So, no stress. Regardless of your setup, you're covered. Let's take a quick look at how these apps compare across all the categories. The radar chart totally makes you realize where each app goes the extra mile, or, well, just coasts along. You can pretty much see Fitbod slaying on customization, tracking, and price, while Shred spikes right up at variety and user experience. Both tie for equipment flexibility. Makes the winner in each category pretty obvious, don't you think? So, bottom line, if you want workouts that are different every day, feel like real fitness events, and you hate feeling bored, Shred's probably your best bet. Super fun, definitely no lack of options, and it'll get you pumped for short, effective sessions. Fitbod, though, it's gold for anyone obsessed with progress analytics or just wants to get stronger, not fancier. If you like the idea of your phone tracking your every rep, Fitbod's the smart move. Try both if you're unsure. Honestly, you'll know pretty quick which matches your vibe. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next